fake boomerang. And like in the background, is someone's moving normally. Like,
Yeah, we have that our winter server. No, I want burn. I don't like to eat.
the chili.
Gusto ko sunog,
spicy.
sunog, sunog.
I'm saying.
I don't like that. The one is not cooked. Ooh. Well done. I want well done.
it turned out small, mama.
Grabe din eh. Oh, nya, mahal kayo ng per kilo ani sa Pilipinas. Grabe, 480 ang per kilo sa Iligan. Nya din all you can eat ang pag-meat. Oh. Sus. Dadon ko ni para sa ero.
I'd rather eat sambal.
Di kumukaon nga sa Pilipinas. Daghan kayong baboy. Pero beef man ni siya. Ay kayo. Magpahimo ko ani din eh para sa balay na mo. Kapoy kay para di ta magtindog-tindog. Palit ko ka ng lamisa dito sa Pilipinas nga na ingani na naidaan kuan ba. Lutuan kay di lang ako magluto, lingkod lang ko. Steak to gagamit-gamit ko kuan ganina. Steak. Hindi man di kabalo. Okay, put some more, Papa. No, I want this Papa. Okay.
He's tiny now.
I want well done. Pero 2 hours na daw ni kay kung musubra gani among 2 hours eh.
No, move your meat.
Ah, sige pa kita. Ano.
Gusto mo ka?
Sana na si Cherry ani ako din pakanon. Pakanon ako si Cherry daghan ani oh.
Take it all over it. Yeah, done.
Okay anak, ito anak. Dili pa man ni. Dili man ni pagod oy, ganahan mo pagod. Ano asang tong lemon? Wala lemon.
Is there lemon in?
No, I want lemon.
There's lemon. Do that.
No, ayoko. Sweet lemon man na.
There's lemon with vinegar. With vinegar, lemon with vinegar. Use that kuchara.
I'm gonna try this.
Can't wait for the switch too.
That's what I was saying. I was thinking too, but
Tama,
how long is it gonna take?
Next, but it's gonna be better. It's gonna be
sakto.
better.
All you can eat nga baboy.
I lost. I don't know what happened to my Legend of Zelda beef.
Ah, beef din siya.
I don't know if someone stole it. Like, because Dad used to rob people in for the washing machine. Sit.
Oh, no better rice.
And I used to have it displayed on my desk.
Sakbut,
But I don't know
sakbut.
where it's at.
Did Dad used to let people in?
I mean, Dad let people in for the washing machine.
Oh, God. Dad, you let people in for the washing machine?